Big dog, little dog. I can read it all by myself. This is another Dr. Seuss book. And welcome to Great Grandma Fowler's little craft room. And today the story is Fred and Ted were friends. Fred and Ted. They are friends. Fred was big and Ted was little. Big Fred, little Ted. Fred always had money. Ted never had any money. No money. When they walked in the rain, Fred was wet and Ted was dry. They both like music. Fred played the flute. And Ted played the tuba. When they had dinner, Fred ate spinach. My nickname is Popeye. Eat your spinach. And Ted ate the beets. Those are good. When they painted the house, up, down, side to side. Fred used the green paint and Ted used the red paint. One day, Fred and Ted went away in their cars. Get your car going. Get ready. Bzzz. Oh, we need a steering wheel. I got a steering wheel. Got a steering wheel. We got a steering wheel for our car. Okay, get your car going. Zzz. This is my steering wheel for my car. Fred went in his green car, and Ted went in his red car. See, Ted? Yeah. Ping an da, Baba. Peace, Big Daddy. Fred drove the car. Hi. Really slow. Ted drove his car fast. Fast and slow. They came to a sign. Should we go to the mall, the zoo, the beach, the mountains? Where should we go? Asked Fred. To the mountains, said Ted. I think they should go to Grace, Idaho. What do you think? When they got to the mountains, Ted skied all day long. Fred skated all day long. I go to the mountains. I think Fred and Ted should have went sledding and go down the hill. Shoo! When they stopped, Fred was cold. Ooh, he's shivering. And Ted, he was warm. He's warm. By night, they were very sleepy. Look, said Fred. Look, a small hotel. It looks like Great Grandma Christine Fowler's house in Grace, Idaho. Fred's room was upstairs. Fred, upstairs. And Ted's room was downstairs. They went to bed. In the morning, Fred called Ted. Let's take a walk. We can walk and talk. They walked up the hill and they walked downhill. They made tall talk and they made small talk. I think they walked uphill both ways to school. What do you think? Did you get any sleep last night, Ted? None at all, Fred. My bed is too little. My bed is too big. What can we do about it, Ted? I don't know, Fred. I know what to do, said the bird. See the bird? Yeah, it's an invisible bird. Ted should sleep upstairs and Fred should sleep downstairs. The birds got the word. The bird has got the word. Reminds me of song. Uma-ma-ma, ba-bum-ma-ma-ma. Uma-ma-ma, ba-bum-ma-ma-ma. Everybody knows that the bird is the word. Uma-ma-ma, ba-bum-ma-ma-ma. Back to bed, yelled Ted. Back to bed, yelled Fred. It's downstairs for me, said Fred. It's upstairs, yelled Ted. Ted jumped into the little bed upstairs, and Fred jumped into the big bed downstairs. Ted slept all day long in his cozy bed. And Fred slept all day long in his cozy big bed. Well, that was easy to do. See the bird? See it? Big dogs need big beds. Little dogs, little beds. Why make big problems out of little problems? From Foo Baba, Big Fred, and Little Ted. Goodbye, Grace.